Hello, my beautiful, amazing crochet family. I am your one and your only Lady of Crochet, Lady Simone, and we are back with another video for y'all know it by now, our Loops and Beads Christmas Advent Calendar unboxing. We are on day 10. I know y'all probably are tired of hearing hello, but listen, I hope that brings a smile on your face every time you see that video pop up and you open it to unbox this with me, because I am excited. I mean, over the top excited to share this with you all. This is my first Advent Calendar experience, and yarn experience. Let's put yarn experience in there. This is my first Advent Calendar yarn experience, so I'm excited to share it with you all. So, as always, every yarn in this will be from Premier Chunky, Parfait Chunky Yarn. So, let's get into day 10, y'all. Let's see what we got. I kind of see a little hit here. Okay. So, we have the gray. Do they call it gray? Okay, it's called Seal. Look at that. I don't know. It kind of, I'm going to tell you what this reminds me of. This color reminds me of, I did a little bit of digital art. I was playing around with it. And one of the thing is they do like these ice princesses with these thick gray curls, and it's beautiful. This color reminds me of that. This is beautiful. And just saying that, I can imagine an amigurumi doll with some nice gray, like bouncy curls. Cute. Anyways, so this came with this seal color, and we also got another palm. Now, if you was with me for the last video, you saw that I got a palm, which is like the identical palm for the beanie. It was a pattern the last time that was a beanie. I got a palm for the beanie, and the thing is, what I'm thinking is, I can make two beanies, one in black, one in this, and then we can have like the palms on it. We could be like little twinsies, little beanie twinsies. That's just my thought pattern. But let me know what you guys think about day 10 of our Advent Calendar unboxing. Y'all, we are getting so close. We have 2 more days. I am excited, but I'm also kind of sad. Like, oh my goodness, I'm not going to have anything else to like unbox and share. But I would say this is super exciting. I'm glad, like always, like I said, to share this with you all. And I am your one and your only Lady of Crochet, Lady Simone. I will see you tomorrow for day 11.